Hey everyone, so I have another quick and easy video for you natural hairlistas. This is my mini twist out. If you want to see the tutorial, look down in the about section for how I do my mini twist. Still a good video from last year. So as you can see, I'm starting off with oiling my hair just so I can minimize the frizz as I am doing the takedown. I'm going to put my hair up, that way I can kind of grab sections and I don't get confused on which ones I've already taken down. Throughout this video, I'm not going to show the entire takedown because it takes about an hour and a half to complete. I just want to show you enough so that you can kind of get the point of the process, and maybe it's something that you can do. This is why I do not take hair from the other sections as I am actually doing my twist, because if I did, I would not be able to unravel them in this way. As you see, I'm just unwinding them and then just taking the strand all the way down, which makes it a lot easier to take down. All right, enjoy. All right, and here are the end results. Very beautiful twist out that lasts about 2 weeks. I don't go past that because the hair can mat, but it's super gorgeous. All I do is apply oil in the morning and go. I bun my hair up in a high bun at night and just use a satin scarf around the edges. All right, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.